Recovery is performed on a blank KeepKey. During KeepKey initialization, you are given an opportunity to write down a recovery sentence. This recovery sentence is your KeepKey's backup. If your KeepKey is lost or stolen, you can recover your private keys using this recovery sentence. KeepKey supports the account hierarchy standardized in BIP44. We recommend using KeepKey's recovery process on a new KeepKey device, as your private keys remain protected should there be malware or viruses on your computer. Here is how to recover using your KeepKey device. Have your recovery sentence in hand. Connect your empty device and open the KeepKey app. Select Recover KeepKey in the bottom right corner. Your device will ask you to select a new label. Select a new PIN. Confirm the new PIN. Now, using the cipher on your device, enter the first word of your recovery sentence. The cipher will scramble after each letter is entered. This guards your recovery sentence from exposure to the internet. Even if your computer was infected with key logging software, your recovery sentence would remain safe as the words themselves are not entered. Only input the corresponding letters as they appear on the cipher. Each word will autocomplete upon entering the fourth letter. If the word is incorrect or does not exist in the word list, your device will not allow you to continue to the next word. You can click backspace or delete if you make a mistake. When you see the correct word autocomplete on your device, go ahead and press the spacebar. After all 12 words have been entered, click Done. Or if you are recovering an 18 or 24 word seed, press your spacebar to continue entering more words. Your wallet is now recovered.